Okay, so this is a video, an infrared camera that I use in my energy audits. I'm trying to get this where I see it. All right, you see that? There's a plug on the wall. See how it's glowing? All right, that's 83-ish, 84 degrees. The wall's 80. So that right there is 4 degrees warmer than the surrounding area, all right? That's drawing a lot of electricity. These right here are examples of some. This one's not too bad. It's 82, wall's like 79, but you can see it's drawing electricity. It's fully charged and it's drawing electricity. Okay, once again, let's go over here. You see that plug right down there? That's drawing electricity, even though it's really not supposed to. Once again, another plug on the wall. See how it's warmer color and it's drawing the electricity? Once again, when you have these big plugs like this, like that, once again, drawing electricity, even though the thing it's attached to is off. So I'm just saying, to kind of put it in perspective, there's my dog, and here's your ceiling. There's, the fan that's using electricity, that kind of thing. So just do yourself a favor and unplug these, they call them vampire loads, around the house, and you'll save a lot of money.